This is the plaintiff, Patrick Knapp. He says he works with the defendant, and over the past 2 years has loaned him money here and there. Well, this money-grubbing slackjaw hasn't paid him any of it back, and he's finally taking matters into his own hands and suing the guy for the $960 he's owed. This is the defendant, Michael Gribben. He says the guy is off his rocker. He, in fact, recently punched a wall at the supermarket so he could go on disability. As far as owing him close to $1,000, har. That's a great joke. He's accused of stiffing a coworker.
Mr. Knapp, you are suing Mr. Gribben for $980 that you say he owes you in various and sundry loans over the course of how long?
A little over a year.
A little over a year, and refuses to repay to you. How do you two know each other, Mr. Knapp?
We work at the same company together.
Okay, what kind of place is it?
It's a supermarket.
A supermarket?
Yes.
And you've been working there for how long?
6 years.
And he's been working there for how long?
Coming up on 3 in December.
Okay, and what department do you work in?
Just recently was moved to produce.
And you work?
Produce.
Okay. Oh, that's got to be awkward. How big is the produce department?
Not very big.
Not very big? Do you run
No.
into each other, literally?
Yes.
Okay. How's that working for you?
It's not that bad, I guess.
Okay. So what happens? Tell me about these loans.
Originally started, I guess, a little couple dollars here because he didn't make enough or whatever. Then he got hurt and he needed more. Until,
How did he get hurt?
He fell off a ladder.
At work or no?
No.
Okay.
Then he started coming to me for more money. I felt bad. I just trying to help him out.
But he hadn't paid any of the other money?
No. And then...
and yet you'd loan him more money in the next week. Why?
Stupid.
No, there's got to be a reason.
I don't know.
What is the reason?
I don't know. I generally felt bad. I thought for sure I was helping him.
But you don't feel bad now because now you're suing him. So what changed between then and now?
Well, now I need my money.
Okay.
And I need my money back just so I could move on. That's a lot of money that he promised that he would pay and still has not.
Okay, what's going on?
I owe him, I don't, he says it's $980. It's more closer to like $200, Your Honor.
Okay. And why do you suppose he'd say that it's 5 times that amount?
I don't know. I got a feeling that they're trying to get rid of me at the store. I mean, the day that I was approached by him and the store manager, he went on disability that day.
Wait. Explain that. You were approached by him and the store manager?
Him and the store manager saying about 3 months ago.
And for what?
That I owed him money and that I needed to pay him back. And so
how does the store manager know if that's true or not?
He told the store manager. He went to the store manager.
Did the store manager sit down with the two of you and try to talk it out?
No, he walked over to the produce department and told me that, what's going on and that you owe him, you owe money and that you need, what happened, what's going on,
And what'd you tell the store manager?
I told him that I did owe him money.
Did you tell him how much you owed him?
No, I didn't tell him how much, but I told him I owed him money, and he said, well, I thought that, he said something to the fact that, well, I didn't know nothing about this, and I know that same day Patrick went on disability, and he was working in the dairy department, and when he came back from disability, he was suddenly in the produce department.
Okay, why did you go on disability?
I actually broke a bone in my hand.
And you say he punched a wall?
I was told he punched a wall at...
Why would anybody be able to go on disability after punching a wall? The only thing you'd be able to do is go to anger management. Did you punch a wall?
Actually, I did, in fact, punch a wall.
Did you punch a wall over an argument with him?
Yes. He was supposed to start paying me back that Friday, actually. And instead of giving me money, he just came up to me with another excuse that he wasn't going to be able to pay me again. I actually went to work. I was actually very angry. Didn't really know what to do.
You say you owe him $200. Where did that $200 come from?
I borrowed the money from him, and
in one time, or in 2 times, or in 10 times? How did it come up to $200?
I don't know how many times, but it was about, more than a couple times.
Did you ever pay any of the money back?
Yes, I did. I paid $40 back to him.
Okay. And that brought it down to $200?
No, I brought it down below that, I believe. You
have no clue.
So would you ever loan somebody money if they stiffed you on a prior loan?
No, it's like fool me once, shame on you. Fool me twice, shame on me.
Ever any exceptions for you?
Only if it's a family member and it's my mom, then I'll make an exception. But for just
How many times does your mom get to stiff you?
my mom can stiff me forever, but somebody else, no.
Who hasn't spoken? Final word.
Yes, I would. It would depend on their relationship with me, but if, I would probably loan it again.
Okay, all of your relatives are saying, I'm giving her a call right after the show, going inside the courtroom.
Do you have any proof of the amount that you're saying?
The only proof I have is the statement that I got
Can I see
that
it?
says that he actually did admit that he owes me $1,000.
Oh, that's pretty good. Dear Judge, on August 6th, Michael Gribben admitted to me he'd borrowed $1,000 from Patrick Knapp for personal reasons and told me he'd pay him back by September 1st. As of November 11th, Michael has only paid $40. Both of these gentlemen are employees of mine. I was acting as a peacekeeper. Okay, so he actually paid you money after you filed?
Yes.
Okay. Did anybody see him pay you that money?
No.
Okay. So now it's $960.
That's
so he
correct.
actually paid you, right?
That's correct.
All right. You know who this is?
Yes.
Show it to him because I want to make sure he sees it. That fellow right there, that fellow employee of yours, says that you admitted to him that you owed the $1,000.
I admit to him that I owed money.
He says $1,000. He doesn't say just owe money. You know, it's
No,
not like
I-
nobody discussed how much money.
It wasn't discussed
when
at the
somebody's
time.
acting as a peacekeeper, it's not like they wouldn't discuss
It
how
wasn't
much.
discussed the amount at the time. It was just that I owed him money.
Not according to him. According to him, you did.
Obviously.
Okay, guys, seriously, okay? Put your big boy pants on and stop it. If you loan somebody money and they don't pay you back, don't do it a second or a 20th time. That's really how you avoid getting in this situation. But I believe he owes you the $960, and I'm going to order him to pay it. Verdict for the plaintiff.
Thank you very much.
Well, so the plaintiff has won this verdict here in the People's Court. The defendant right here on the losing end of this case comes out to say what?
Oh, well, I lost. I mean, there's no justice.
What'd you make him drag you into court for? What do you mean no justice?
I don't know. I don't owe him that much money, and
Yeah, but you owe him plenty. Well,
I owe him maybe one worth of that.
You know, so you borrowed from him. Are you borrowing from some other employees at the
I
store?
borrowed
too?
bus fare from the other guy.
All right. So this is not making you any friends, is it?
No, it's not.
All right. So now that this issue's settled, you guys is this gonna be an issue in the produce department between the two of you?
I would hope not. I would hope not. No.
You expect him to be friendly toward you?
I don't know if he'll be friendly towards me, but I'll work in a civil manner towards him.
All right. Okay. All right. Right down this way. All right. So come on in here. You satisfied now that this is wound up?
Absolutely. Definitely.
Well, what are you loaning the guy so much money for when he's not paying you back?
I just, like I said, I felt bad for him. He kept giving me the sob stories, like he was going to get kicked out of his house. I just gave him the money to help him out.
What are you going to do when you see him at work now?
Just go back to work. Like, I'm not really worried.
Say hello to
about
him?
Yeah, I'll say hello to him.
How do you know when a cantaloupe is fresh?
I'm not even sure. I still ask the guys there.
Oh.
I'm still new in that department.
Harvey?
Okay, here's my feeling about this. If somebody asks for you to loan them money and they don't pay you back, never loan them money again, okay? But if you feel like you must, then you have to get that second one in writing. And you should also get a confession of judgment for the first one. If they have the guts to ask you, they should sign on the dotted line.